When shackles and chains try to hold you down and stress and anxiety is bugging you out and you're depressed, baby, you know what we do? We roll around just like our family community should. Baby, Deborah, I appreciate you. Yes, it is very real, and yes, it is. No matter what, baby. So we'll overcome the obstacles, baby. 'Cause yes, who's riding with Barbara Silverhead Fox? Motherfucker. Oh, yeah. You know me, I love to laugh, smile, and throw away the motion, throw away the stress, throw away the anxiety, baby, because yes, it's real, and yes, we're riding with the best motherfucking TV show. You get it wrong, real. We're on to say, fuck the backwater hillbilly, justice system, and the backwater deal, trying to force you in the corner because you don't have a real attorney. Baby, let's cheers that son bitch up, because you know what time it is, right? We're live. This is live, baby. You know, Daddy's home. I'm not the all-American boy. No. Not me. You'll never see me wave the American flag. You'll see me wrap myself around the Pakistan flag. You'll see me wrap myself in the family community flag. Sons of Liberty, true North American family community. Baby, that's what we do. Text up, Jackie boy. Yeah, right, baby. Deborah, you know I love you. Appreciate you. Rise up and throw that bullshit away. Because yes, indeed, me and Antonio, we're here to stay. Aunt Michelle, you know I love you. Special place right here, just for you. Nutter butter. Roll, Lulu, roll. You know, ooh, baby. I love them Asian ladies. Oh, and I love you, baby. So who wants to get married? Oh, yeah, Elsa Shots. Backwater hillbilly, we got our hair down, we let our freak go. We're unique, we're different, and we just kick some ass. Whoa, who's riding, baby? Are you riding with the Teller Tuesday? Because you're looking at your future president right here, baby. And I hope you know, I love you all. Appreciate you all. Thank you all for allowing me to lance, prance, and let my romance live. Love you all, baby.